Hi everyone, Dennis Foley with Acoustic Fields. Today we're going to talk about the sonic ROI, or you've heard ROI expressed in business as return on investment. But we're going to change it around, put return of your investment, because I see a lot of really expensive equipment that comes through on our room forms, and I see it's so improperly set up and in the wrong size room. I saw a room today, 8-foot average distance, width and length. 4 12-inch subwoofers. See, and I don't even want to go into the rest of it. But the bottom line here is, are you hearing everything you invested in? You should be able to say, above a certain price point, you should demand a certain resolution. You should demand a certain distortion level. Same thing in our rooms. We should do the same with our rooms that we do to our equipment. So, are your lows tight and defined? Do you have really good lows? Can you hear and feel the wave oscillating through the room? You should be able to, okay? We can in our studio constantly. I know immediately when there's a 30-cycle organ pedal being played. You can feel it throughout the whole room, and you can feel where the wave starts and ends, how it oscillates through the room. If you can't do that, your definition's not good. Your attack and decay rates are not good. There's a lot of things that you can do to fix it. Our mids and highs, the fundamentals and the harmonics, are they clean? Does everything, live and die on its own volition without the room getting in the way? So many times, based on the dimensions of the room and the surfaces in the room, the speakers want to produce the quality that they were designed to do. But the minute that sound leaves the speaker and enters the room, it becomes the property of the room, the domain of the room, and then different laws of physics apply. So the equipment must vanish. Does your gear disappear? Isn't that the goal? I see a lot of these equipment racks. I call them idol worship. Look, the goal is to listen to the music, not look at the equipment. Now, granted, the prices of some of this gear, that you $30,000, $40,000, $50,000, $60,000, it better look nice, but it better sonically disappear, right? That's the goal. Should have higher resolution and not so much hearing the gear, all right? You must treat your room if you're going to get a real return of the investment. There's just no other way, because, the room is 50% of what you hear, at least. I would argue much higher than that, but that's a topic for another discussion. You got to do a lot of little things correctly in the right order. You got to lower the noise floor. That's noise transmission. That's barrier technology. You got to treat the lows first. That's pressure management. Then you got to treat the reflections correctly. Then you got to do setup correctly. There's a lot of things you got to do. The noise that leaves the room and the treatment inside the room can work together. You can lower the pressure of low-frequency energy in the room. That means less transmits out. So there's a combination of treatment and noise technology that works. So the sonic return of your investment when it comes to gear, whether you're a mix engineer, 2-channel listening and all that stuff, it doesn't matter. You can't forget about the room. Hope this helps. Thank you. Thank you for watching this video, and if you liked it, please give us a thumbs up. We also have a newsletter that you can subscribe to, so please do that, because we offer special price discounts to only those on our newsletter. And then don't forget about our forum. We have started a forum on our own website where people ask questions, and I usually get a chance every couple days to look at it. There's an interchange between people on the forum, and we'll give you real answers on a regular basis, so that'll help you. Thank you.